Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a topic of writing skill, that is an expansion of idea. An idea for expansion may be a proverb, quotation, idiom, slogan, or a thought provoking question which is to be elaborated or expanded by a way of explaining its meaning or other substantial supporting matter. For 5 golden steps to be followed while expanding an idea are, the steps are: the first step is understand the meaning and symbolism of the words. Second point, decode it. Substitute the meaning in the idea. Third point, support it with any anecdote, story, or example with its relevance. Fourth point, think of six conveying the same meaning. And the last point is sum up the whole idea by proving it. So these are the 5 steps which we have to follow while solving the question of expansion of idea. Now we have to see there are certain rules while doing this expansion of idea. What we have to do and what we don't have to do. The rules are given in the manner of do's and don'ts. Write in 3 paragraphs, or if specified in the question, only 1 paragraph. The entire explanation should not be more than 80 to 100 words. First paragraph must contain explanatory matter. Do not begin with the meaning of the proverb or the quote is. Second paragraph must contain anecdotes, stories, example, related quotation, etc. Third paragraph must be the conclusion. End your writing skill with thus, so, to sum up, or hence. Students, you have to follow the steps. So if it is specified in the question, write in 2 paragraphs, you will have to write in 2 paragraphs. If it is specified to mention in 3, then you will have to form 3 paragraphs. Frame simple and short sentences. Enhance your writing using natural and conversational language and by using common figures of speech wherever necessary. Ensure grammatical accuracy, correct spellings, and appropriate punctuation marks. So if you follow these, you will get the maximum marks. Now I am going to tell you the marking scheme. Title and proper beginning carries 1 mark. Elaboration of the idea or the theme carries 2 marks. Use of appropriate grammar and vocabulary carries 1 mark. Proper conclusion and layout carries 1 mark. So now we will see one of the example. The question is, expand the following theme. The title is given, make hay while the sun shines. Now see how to write the answer. Hay is mowed and dried grass. The drying can take place only in sunny weather. Therefore, hay must be made while the sun shines. The implication of this apparently simple advice is that we must seize the opportunity before us and take maximum advantage of it. See the second paragraph. A chance lost may never come again. We must avail ourselves of favorable circumstances and use them to our advantage. And youth is the time to take risks, work hard, make all-round progress, and lay by enough for a contented and comfortable old age. Strike while the iron is hot is another saying expressing the same idea. Opportunities will not present themselves again and again. The readiness to seize one when it offers itself is the key to success. So, we must make hay while the sun shines. So, students, here the expansion of idea ends. And as a homework, you may do for practice